Alright, getting ready to work on the van. Had to jack up the front and the back, put some leveling blocks underneath both, and now I can get underneath where I'm going to need to fix the leak and the transmission, which seems to be coming from a spot right there. Looks like that's the culprit right there. Gonna have to undo that, and I bought a couple of seals to replace the O-ring in there, and hopefully that's all it'll take. Alright, let's see if this is the $3 fix that I hope it is. I bought an assortment of O-rings. Hopefully one of them's the right size. Time to get to it. Let's start by unplugging this. How do you do that? I don't know. Okay. That's done. Let that hang over there, and then I've got this bolt right here to remove. And hopefully that'll be it. Let's go find the right size for that. Could it be a 10mm? Yep, sure can. There goes the blood juice. There is a bunch of sludge on there, so I guess I'll clean that off and see if maybe cleaning it all will give it a better seal. So I'm looking at this, and I mean, I don't see any cracks in the O-ring there, but it was definitely leaking. So I think I need to remove that one and maybe stretch this one around it and see if that will do the trick, because it doesn't appear to have any lift around it. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, so this is the one I pulled off, and these are the 4 I have. So as you can see, these 4 are more thick than the one, and they're smaller. So I'm hoping maybe one of these can stretch and thin out, and maybe that'll do the trick. So I'm gonna give that a try, otherwise I'll have to go and exchange. Alright, so I broke one of them. I put the next size on, and it's in there, as you can see, but it might be a tiny bit too thick. I'm gonna have to see if that'll work. Alright, let's go do it. Okay, I popped over to Napa. There's my old ring, and they found me one that looks pretty close. So I think I'm gonna try fitting that right onto here and see how it goes. I'm guessing it'll be a much closer fit than what the other ones were. Just get it into that little slot. Oh yeah, that seems more like it. Great. Now I just gotta deposit that back into its spot, screw it back on, and hopefully that'll do the trick. Stop it from weeping. Gotta add some more blood juice. Hopefully I have enough. If not, I'll run over to the store and grab some more and be done with it. Alright, moment of truth. Oh yeah, that seems like it's going in just right. Nice. Don't mess with me here, come on. Yeah, there we go. That went in. Alright. Alright, got that 10mm going. Seems good to me. Alright. Now, bring this buddy over here. Plug her on in. That, my friends, should be that. Time to go put in some juices. Time to add some fluid. The old Lucas transmission fix. Stop slip, stop leaks. Then top it off with regular blood juice, or ATF, automatic transmission fluid, and start her up. Get her to temp, make sure we have enough in there, and I should be ready for my trip. Alright, looks like we're about done. Woohoo! Time to start her up. Alright, can you see that? Looks like it's right at the cross-hatching where it says hot. Like right at the end of that T. Alright, I think we're good to go. Well, it's running, as you can hear, and